Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a NeuroNation app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NeuroNation app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will go to this sign and you can search about NeuroNation app. Here if you find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.